Now I made a mention already. The digestive glands of ileum are called intestinal glands or crypts of Lieberkühn. Now these intestinal glands or crypts of Lieberkühn they have certain cells which secrete enzymes. Those cells are called Paneth cells. Important point, make a note of it here now. Paneth cells are the digestive enzyme secreting cells of the intestinal glands. Now these Paneth cells secrete various enzymes of intestinal juice. Trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase, enterokinase. All four of them are proteolytic enzymes. All four of them are proteolytic enzymes. Apart from that, they also secrete amylase, maltase, sucrase, lactase. Amylase, maltase, sucrase, lactase are carbohydrate digesting enzymes. They are all carbohydrate digesting enzymes. Apart from that, they secrete nucleotidase, nucleosidase and nucleases. These three of them, nucleotidase, nucleosidase and nucleases, they bring about digestion of nucleotides, breakdown of nucleotides. Then above all, they also secrete lipase. Lipase that brings about digestion of lipids. So all these enzymes are put together called intestinal juice. All of them are put together called intestinal juice, or also called succus entericus. So remember, NEET point of view is the most important point here. What is succus entericus? All the enzymes secreted by intestinal glands are put together called succus entericus or intestinal juice. With a pH of 7.8, pH of 7.8, that is highly alkaline. Okay, so there are proteolytic enzymes, trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase, enterokinase are proteolytic enzymes. Among these, enterokinase is not an enzyme, it is only an activator. It is an activator for trypsinogen. Then apart from this, you have amylase, maltase, sucrase and lactase. They are all carbohydrate digesting enzymes. Then you have nucleotidase, nucleosidase and nucleases. They are nucleotide, that is nucleic acid digesting enzymes. Lipase is a fat digesting enzyme here. So all of them are put together called intestinal juice or succus entericus.